Hi guys, it's Rae. Today we are going to unbox my package from Butterfly Lane Designs. She is not a new vendor, but she is new to me. I stumbled on her in one of the Facebook groups and reached out to her and said, hey, I'm going to try your products. Is it okay if I, put them all over YouTube and whatnot? So, I'm very excited for this. Yes, I do realize I have the capability of printing most of this at home, except for anything sublimation, which I did not order. But she does do sublimation. So keep that in mind. Also, some of this is going to be above and beyond what I ordered. So we'll see what we have when we get to it. I do believe, I don't know, I'm just going to keep going through stuff. We'll see what we have when we get there. Because she did send me some extra goodies to check out. So she does have both clear cast and what she calls VC decals. The VC is marked on the back, which is great. The VC she calls versatile clear. So that means these are those ones that are printed on white that I know you guys love because they will show up over a darker base. So if you're looking for those, her VC listing is what you want to find. She does print a lot of them, both the VC and the regular clear. So make sure you're watching the drop down menu when you go to order and select the right one, because you don't want to order the wrong one. So that one's a VC. My coffee and I are having a moment. I will deal with you later. This one says Faith. And the regular decals all run in the 3 to 3.5 inch range. So they're all good for assorted size tumblers. But this one just says Faith with the butterflies. Did I already say that? This one says antisocial butterfly, kind of a retro vibe. I liked that. Peace, love, and kindness. You guys know I love my sunflowers and bumblebees. I hate everyone, but coffee help. This should be helps. I can probably fix that. So this one is just another bee. Be kind. This is a tie-dye mom life. This one is just going to be a clear. It does not have that marking on the back. I hate everyone, but coffee helps. See? This one has that pesky S. This one's just one of those trendy mama ones. Also a clear. You're, feeling kind of IDGAF-ish today. We all know what that stands for. Dead inside but caffeinated, because, I like this one. And this is a sheet of decals. You cut around what you want to use. I haven't done any of my hummingbird tumblers in a while, and I think I'm pretty low on what I normally use, so I thought this would be great. So this is like a half size sheet, a 6x12. This is a freebie. Drunken Grown-Ups, America Runs on Wine. That's cute. I believe I ordered this one because I love my skulls. This is a full sheet of vinyl for wraps and whatnot. Here's something I do like about her vinyls. If it can be scaled, she offers it in 2 and 3 sizes in different cases. So I really appreciate that, because sometimes you get a vinyl and you get it in and the design is just too big. So having a smaller option is fantastic. So that is definitely something to keep in mind. And again, same thing here. This is the like large print, and then this one is scaled down. So we're probably going to go ahead and use one of these B's, or even this one. I mean, honestly, this would work too. So many of these would work with these vinyls that we'll probably go ahead and get that on a tumbler sooner rather than later. This like agate, I just absolutely love this print, so I went ahead and ordered it. Yes, I could print myself this as a wrap, but you know. So she has the clear decals, the VC decals. Make sure you're picking the right ones. She has the vinyls, like I mentioned, in 3 sizes. She has some digital files on her sites. She does print some sublimation, full wraps, and whatnots. She does have water slides available, and she just dropped a ton of Halloween stuff. If you're looking for Halloween movie type stuff, check it out. And she is starting to do subscription boxes. Some of this is the subscription box. I believe the ones facing me in the back are not. This was her July subscription box. She should have the August one open soon. So she does do custom orders. There is a email on her website. You can email if you're looking for something custom to have made. And if you use my coupon code Rachel10, you can get 10% off. So be sure to use that if you're ordering. So let's see what is in this one. Like I said, she did this subscription package, and it was, I finally got to see what was in it yesterday, and it was very Halloween and fall themed. So, whoops, I'm dropping stuff. There's so much in here, I am dropping stuff. Let me grab what I dropped. So she has these cute little Beware Poison wraps. A piece of vinyl with a cute print. I love that. Little instructions for using the stuff. So this was a freebie. I'm not a hot mess, I'm a spicy disaster. So true for me. Poison number 99 and scorpion venom decals. More decals, which is potion, poison. Definitely some great stuff for your, another instruction card for your tumblers. These are just border strips cut in assorted sizes. So that's kind of cool. Another big poison wrap. Arsenic. Purple vinyl and red vinyl. These aren't just solid. They do have like calligraphy text on them, so they'd be good layered or as part of a wrap. And like a spooky-ish sunsets kind of print. Okay, so these are not part of that, and I don't know if these were or not. I believe they are, so let me look. These are VCs, so they'll be printed white. Little hands. You are made of stardust and wishes and magical things. That's cute with the constellations. Another one. Kindness is magic. Always believe in magic. A couple of decals there. And this is a really pretty vinyl. Tropical. Some roses. This is cute. And a watercolor like alcohol ink. This is Orajat, so it is a vinyl. I believe these are white, but I'm trying to, yep. So that is white. and just a little piece of the, you know, Lisa Frank inspired leopard print. So there you go. Definitely check out her page. I have so much stuff to play with. I'm not sure where to start, so I'm probably going to start easy with some vinyl wraps, and we will go on from there. But she has a ton of stuff available, so be sure to check it out. We're definitely going to get some cups glittered to use with those, and I'm going to have a lot of fun just pulling a decal and building the cup around it, because sometimes when you're not feeling creative, that's just the best way to go. But the subscription box was definitely a good value. There was a ton in it. I believe she is going to try and keep them themed, so do check it out. And that is it for my Butterfly Lane unboxing. I'm going to start working on some combination of one or two of these today. I may use this as like a V-split and this as a partial wrap, and do two of them, because who knows. So that is it. I will put the links down below. Check her out. Give her a try if you're looking for pre-made decals. And I will see you next time.